With the rising need for secure and affordable camera solutions, Amaryllo's M2D module shines as the leading choice. As the only company certified by Microsoft Skype, the M2D module ensures top-level protection against unauthorized access. Powered by AI, the real-time video and audio analysis delivers advanced features such as fire, human, vehicle detection, facial recognition, as well as sound recognition for fire alarms and glass breaking. The module seamlessly integrates with professional monitoring services that effectively reduces false alarms by 99%, resulting in improved security efficiency. Furthermore, when the video backup service is used in combination with the M2D module, users can conveniently play back video recordings from up to 365 days, enhancing security and peace of mind. The M2D module is the perfect fusion of security and innovation, making it a revolutionary product that caters to the needs of both homes and businesses that prioritize the security of their premises.